What's good, y'all? I'm finna show y'all niggas how to sound ambient on Bandlab. Y'all finna be sounding like Destroy Lonely. Who else? I finna be sounding like all them niggas, bruh. So make sure y'all watch till the end. Y'all gonna be sounding, ambient, unique. You gonna be sounding sexy as fuck. So let me show y'all niggas this song. Alright.
Fucking B&B's on the top floor, said she wanna see the view. I don't really fuck with friends, they could only name me a few. Thinking I'm going insane, all these drugs that I abuse. She wanna fly to stay, but I'm not in the mood, no. Remember the arcade days, when we used to play. Get myself down, nobody wanted to stay. When I pop out, got a crowd out, got a whole show screaming my name. Like bullets gonna fly. Said she wanna see the view.
You feel? That shit hard. So mainly like the ADLIBS, that's what gives you the like ambient type of sound on your song. So you gotta get an ADLIBS, you feel? So let me start off with a preset first. I use the underground preset. Let me start off with a preset, the main vocals first. I use the underground preset. It's in my last video. Y'all could go check that shit out if y'all want more presets, but I'm just finna give it right here. So this is the underground preset. Goes good with any type of underground beat. Any type of underground beat, bro. So digicomp, noise gate, de-esser, EQ. Y'all can pause the video if y'all want it. Alright. Graphic EQ. Studio reverb. De-esser. And delay. So that's the underground preset. Now for the ADLIBS that make it sound ambient. So, look, this is like an angelic ambient type of shit. So, noise gate, delay, phase 72, ST chorus, graphic EQ. BL1176, Dimension B, Studio Reverb. You're like, whoa, you feel? Sound like you got your sound from the heavens, nigga. Like, sounds heavenly, nigga. Like, whoa. Feel? Alright. Now, this one. It's that ambient type of shit, bro. This shit sounds angelic as fuck, bro. Let me show you that. Shit makes you sound ambient. I know that shit sound good as shit, you feel? So let me give y'all the preset. Alright.
Noah's Gate, Univerb, Graphic EQ, FBK compressor, Dimension B, De-esser, Vibe 2, D-delay, and Studio Reverb.
Guys, let me know if I should drop this song or not, because I'm getting kind of like mixed reviews on this shit. Like, I don't know if I should drop it or not. You feel it's like something different. You feel something different. Like some shit you could like vibe to. You feel. So let me know if I should drop that shit. So this is the end of the video, y'all. This is how to sound ambient on Bandlab. So remember, stay hydrated. Fuck what people say. Fuck what them niggas say. Fuck what the haters say. Fuck them niggas, man. And stay hydrated. Drink some water. And I love y'all niggas. Peace.